Question number 1. Which is the longest national highway in India? Right answer NH44. Here NH means national highway. NH44, which is about 3745 km long, starts from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. National Highway 7 is renamed as National Highway 44. Question number 2. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Right answer K2 or Godwin Austen. The height of this peak is 8611 meter. K2 is the highest mountain peak in India and the second highest mountain peak in the world after Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal, and the height of this Mount Everest is 8848 meter. K2 or Godwin Austen is in the Karakoram range of northern Jammu and Kashmir, near the border of Pakistan and China. It is mainly located in POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Question number 3. Name the highest peak of Himalayas in India. Right answer Kanchenjunga. The height of this peak is 8586 meter. Kanchenjunga is located at the border of India and Nepal in the Great Himalayas range, Sikkim. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain peak in the world after Mount Everest and K2 or Godwin Austen. And for your kind information, if in the exam it comes, what is the highest peak of Himalayas, then the answer will be Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal. But if in the exam it comes, what is the highest peak of Himalayas in India, then the answer will be Kanchenjunga. Yes friends, in India the highest peak of Himalayas is Kanchenjunga. Cleared? Next question. Question number 4. What is the rank of India in terms of area in the world? Right answer 7th. Yes friends, the rank of India in terms of area in the world is 7th. India is about 3.287 million square kilometers by land area. And by area, the largest country in the world is Russia. Yes friends, Russia is the largest country in the world by land area. Land area of Russia is 17.1 million square kilometers. Russia is 5 times bigger than India by land area. Can you imagine it? By area, top 10 largest countries in the world are 1 Russia, 2 Canada, 3 United States, 4 China, 5 Brazil, 6 Australia, 7 India, 8 Argentina, 9 Kazakhstan and 10 Algeria. Question number 5. What is the rank of India by population in the world? Right answer 2nd. Yes friends, India is 2nd in position by population in the world. More than 137 crore people living in this country according to 2019. It seems the way the population is growing, I think in the census of 2021, India will reach at number 1 before China. Top 10 largest country in the world by population are 1 China, 2 India, 3 United States, 4 Indonesia, 5 Pakistan, 6 Brazil, 7 Nigeria, 8 Bangladesh, 9 Russia and 10 Mexico. Question number 6. India is located in which continent? Right answer Asia. Asia is the largest continent by land area and population in the world. We have 7 continents in this world. 1 Asia, 2 Africa, 3 North America, 4 South America, 5 Antarctica, 6 Europe and 7 Australia. Question number 7. India's highest dam, Tehri Dam, is situated on which river? Right answer Bhagirathi River, which is located in the state of Uttarakhand. Its height is about 260.5 meter. Question number 8. Which is the coldest place in India? Right answer Dras. Dras is a town in the Kargil district of the Union Territory of Ladakh. Dras is also known as the gateway to Ladakh. Average temperature of Dras in summer is 15 degrees Celsius and in winter minus 20 degrees Celsius. The lowest recorded temperature in Dras was minus 60 degrees Celsius on 9 January in 1995. Question number 9. Which is the hottest place in India? Right answer, Palodi. Palodi is a town in Jodhpur district in the state of Rajasthan. The highest recorded temperature in this place is 51 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. Which is the wettest place in India? It's very important. Right answer, Mausinram. Mausinram is a village in northeastern Indian state of Meghalaya. The average annual rainfall of this village is about 467.4 inches, which is 11,872 millimeters. Mausinram is not only the wettest place in India but also in the world. And the second wettest place in the world is Cherrapunji, which is also located in the state of Meghalaya, India. Average annual rainfall of this place is 11,777 millimeter. Both Mausinram and Cherrapunji are recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as having higher average rainfall. The meaning of Meghalaya is the abode of clouds or land of clouds. It's very important. What is the meaning of Meghalaya? Then the answer will be the abode of clouds or the land of clouds. Question number 11. Which is the longest beach in India? Right answer, Marina Beach. Marina Beach is located in Chennai along the Coromandel coast on the Bay of Bengal. This beach is about 13 km long and 437 meters width. Question number 12. Which state is the largest tea producer in India? Right answer, Assam. Approximately 52% tea is produced in this northeastern state Assam in a year. Next question. Which is the largest coffee producing state in India? Right answer, Karnataka. Karnataka is a South Indian state. This state produces 71% coffee per year. Question number 14. Which city is called by the Switzerland of India? Right answer, Kashmir. Question number 15. Which city is called by the Paris of India? Right answer, Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Question number 16. The longest tributary river of India is Yamuna. Question number 17. Which river is called by the Dakshin Ganga? Right answer, Godavari. Godavari is the second longest river of India after the Ganga and the longest river of South India. It is about 1,465 kilometers long and flows through the state of Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Orissa. Question number 18. Ahmedabad is situated on the bank of which river? Right answer, Sabarmati river. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Question number 19. Which is the oldest national park in India? Right answer, Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is located in the state of Uttarakhand. It was established in 1936. Last and final question. Question number 20. It's very interesting. Which state see first sunrise in India? Right answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Yes friends, Arunachal Pradesh is an eastern Indian state where the sun rises first in India. Friends, I hope this video will help you in your competitive exams.